This video will show you how to replace the water filter on a GE refrigerator. Typically, the water filter needs to be changed every 6 months. My filter is located in the back right of the fridge. You can also see the sticker on the top right that shows my model number of the fridge if you need to double check what kind of filter you need. This is a water drop filter model WD-XWF that came from Amazon. To remove the old filter, you'll rotate it 90 degrees to the left and pull down. To install the new filter, you'll line up the arrow on the filter with the arrow on the filter cartridge holder. Gently push the top of the new filter up inside of the holder. Slowly turn it to the right until it stops. Now you can reset the water filter light by holding down the button. The last step is to run water from the dispenser for 2 gallons or approximately 5 minutes to clear the system. During this, the water may spurt out and you may see air bubbles. That's totally normal. If the water's not flowing, check to make sure the filter has been fully rotated to the right. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.